Friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to show all connected Wi-Fi passwords in Windows 11 PC, so, let's start. At first, go to the Settings option from Windows search bar. Now, click on Network and Internet options. Click Wi-Fi. After this, go to the Manage Known Network option. Here is all connected Wi-Fi SSID name. For showing password, go to the arrow key beside Forget options. Click View Wi-Fi Security Key. This is password for this Wi-Fi SSID. As same as, we can check another Wi-Fi password. Click View Wi-Fi Security Key. This is password for this Wi-Fi SSID. Friends, I hope you can understand how to see the password. But password showing options are not available if your connection is Mac base. I already uploaded video about showing Wi-Fi password with a different method to my channel. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions and press the bell button for new and updated technology related video tutorials.